Who knows how we say vowel? Okay, repeat after me then. Sra. Sra. Sra is vowel. Okay? So, turn your paper over or write on an open spot. Okay? Write and repeat after me. Okay? The first vowel. Sra. Say it. Okay. All at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Sa. Okay? Sra means vowel. A is the sound it makes. What English letter makes the A sound? A. Good. Good. ឪពុកម្ដាយពេលកូនទៅផ្ទះវិញសូមឲ្យហាត់និយាយហាត់អានស្រៈនិងខ្ចាញ់ជំនះស្រៈអាស្អីស្អីហិងកខកខហ្នឹងណាតាមក្តារខៀនដែលខ្ញុំសរសេរនេះ Okay. One more time. Sra. Okay, go ahead and write this next one. Sra. Sra. Okay, so it's a half circle like an eyeball, and then another little circle here. Okay, Sra. Yep. Okay. Continue on. Sra. Okay. Let's go back to the beginning and say it over. Oh, Sandra, write it on your separate sheet of paper. Okay? But it's okay, because you're going to be taking both those sheets home anyways. Alright? So, let's go back and look up here. Look up at the board and say it one more time. Sra. 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 Okay. Why do you think I wrote this up top? Where do you think it's going to go when you write it with the consonants? Sarah? On top of the consonant, yes. This one will go to the right of the consonant, right next to it. Okay? Now I'm going to write this next one on the bottom because it'll go on the bottom. Okay? Like a little dime. And say Sra-o. 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 Okay. What letter does these two look like?
V and W.
V and W.
And I.
And an I. There you go. Now let's go back and say it all together. Repeat after me. Sra-a.
Sra-a.
Sra-e.
Sra-e.
Sra-a.
Sra-e.
Sra-u.
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 Sra-o.
O.
Sra-o.
Sra-o.
Sra-u.
Sra-u.
Okay. If you look at the boxes here, the boxes show you where the consonants are going to go when you combine it together. Right? Say this one here. Sra-al.
Sra-al.
Okay. I'm going to do this one again. First I'm going to do a little 6. And then I'm going to give it a hat. Okay? And this one is the same letter as this as A here. Okay? So this is Sra. One more time, Sra.
Sra-a.
Sra-u.
Sra-u.
I'm going to do a little bit different there. Sra-il. Okay. You guys have practiced it like the paper here? Go ahead and do that too if you want. Alright, I'm just not used to writing it. And I admit my Cambodian is not the greatest either. So I'm going to just keep going with how I know how to do it. Alright?
Darlie said hi.
Nick, what do you have?
Darlie told me to tell you he said hi.
Okay. One of my former students. Tell him to come next time. Okay. Okay. Let's start it all the way from the beginning. Sra.
Sra-a.
Sra-e.
Sra-e.
Sra-a.
Sra-e.
Sra-u.
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 Sra-o.
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 Sra-u.
Sra-u.
Sra-a.
Sra-a.
Sra-u.
Sra-u.
Sra-il.
Sra-il.
Okay. Right. We're going to continue on up here. Just a single 6 and a half. This is Sra-a.
Sra-e.
Sa'ai. Repeat, sa'ai. And sa'ai. Okay. Now, who has more letters in the alphabet? Cambodian or English? Cambodian. Now, actually, Cambodian is actually easier to learn than English. Anybody know why? How many A sounds do we have written out here? A, I. We have it all written down, right? Do we have those sounds in English too?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. But we have a letter to represent each sound. So when we see it in the word, we're not confused about it. But in English, we have to guess. You know, hat, hate. Okay. I mean, there's rules. Seeing the E at the end changes the A and all that stuff. We have a letter for all the sound. So once you learn all the letters, writing is a lot easier. Okay. Let's go all the way to the end. All right, from the beginning. Okay, repeat after me. Everybody look up here. Sa'a. Sa'e. 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 Sa'o. Sa'o. Sa'u. Sa'a. Sa'u. Sa'ir. Sa'e. Sa'ai. Sa'ai. Okay. 6 and a 7 together. Sa'al. Repeat, sa'al. Okay. 6 and a 7 with a hat. Sa'al. I want to hear you three. Sa'al. Good job. Okay. Sa'om. Sa'om. Sa'am. Okay. Go from the beginning all the way to the end. Okay. Sa'a. Sa'e. 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 Sa'al. Sa'u. Sa'ir. Sa'e. Sa'ai. Sa'ai. Sa'om. Sa'am. Okay. Last one here. Last row. 2 circles. Sa'a. Sa'a. Right? Sa'a. Repeat. Oh, this is the 6 with the head. Oops. Sa'eh. What does eh mean in Cambodian? What is it? To scratch. And if you act clear, you're scratching your armpits. Okay? And the last word, sa'o. What does oh mean in Cambodian?
All gone.
All gone. Okay. So Trevor, you're learning a lot of Cambodian words already. Eh means to.
Scratch.
Oh means it's.
What?
Oh means it's
All
gone.
gone.
All gone. Good. Okay. Repeat from beginning to end, and then we're going to go to the computer lab. Okay. Sa'a. Sa'e. 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 Sa'o. Sa'o. Sa'u. Look up here too as you're repeating. Nick. Sa'a. Sa'u. Sa'ir. Sa'e. Sa'ai. Sa'ai. Sa'al. Sa'al. Sa'om. Sa'om. Sa'am. Sa'a. Sa'al. Sa'eh. Sa'o. Alright. So, when you go home today, turn on YouTube. Write this down. Not today. Take a break on the weekend. Alright? Okay, on Monday, you're going to turn on YouTube. Okay? www.youtube.com. You guys all been there, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay? And then you're going to search Rochester, Cambodian Language and Culture School.
Rochester, something, something.
Rochester, Cambodian Language
School.
and Culture School. Okay? And then you'll find all the lessons there. There'll only be one on Monday ready. It'll be this lesson here. Alright? If you have problems getting on,